I tested these 4 DeWalt 20V batteries to show you exactly how they fit, how long they'd last in this DeWalt air cooler, full blast, pump running the entire time. Real numbers, not guesses. Let's get started. I have a baby monitor. Air of the cooler ideally is going to be blowing from that cooler and it'll shoot directly to that baby monitor. Keep in mind for this test, I don't care how cold the water is right now. I have the frozen ice pack in there, I have frozen water bottles, and I have about 2 to 3 inches of water at the bottom. So I know I can turn on the air cooler full blast at level 3 and turn on the water pump. So let's start with the 3 amp hour 20V. 236. There's probably a good like 2 inches of space. Still 2 bars. 407. Water pump still going. 1 bar. Let's kill it. It is 424. It looks like it died. There's plenty of water. Again, not concerned about the ice levels. Crack this open. It's dead. This 3 amp hour 20V battery actually lasted close to 2 hours. It was like 1 hour and 50 minutes. That's pretty good, because on the box of the DeWalt air cooler, it actually says that a 4 amp hour will last you 2 hours. So now let's try the 5 amp hour. See, it's fully charged. 836, temperature is 68, almost 67 degrees. 10:22 at night. Water pump is still on. 2 bars left. Let's keep going. So I just jumped up because the baby monitor stopped making noises. It is 11:52. So you can see it was level 3, not turning on. This thing is, it says there's 1 bar left. Hang on. Nope, phantom light indicator. I think what's happening is there's barely enough battery juice in here to show on the indicator that there's something left. But when I plug it in, all right, so far that means that the 3 amp hour lasted about 1 hour and 50 minutes, full blast with the water pump on. The 5 amp hour lasted about 3 hours and 14, maybe 15 minutes. Now let's try the 20V 8 amp hour XR battery. You'll see that it is full battery. So now the time for this is 4:42. Let's see how long it lasts. 6:44, water pump is still going. 2 bars left. Looks like 3 on camera. It's only 2 bars, I promise, not 3. Almost 9 o'clock. Water pump is going, full blast. Let's check the battery. 1 bar. Let's keep going. So the monitor actually just barely stopped. It is 10:03. The dial is still on 3. The power, not on. It's dead. Turned on. It's like dead. It won't even turn on. So that means that this 20V 8 amp hour XR battery actually lasted, what? 5.5 hours at full blast with the water pump on. So now we're gonna try the biggest battery that I have. This is the FlexVolt. This can go 20V or 60V, and this is a 12 amp hour. It's huge. Show you a full battery. So I think it's nice to see that the battery indicator is right here, so then you can just push it and see how much you got. Close it up and see how long it lasts. Right now, 8:27. 12:22, the cooler is still going full blast. Let's check it out. So you'll see the water pump is still on, 2 bars still. Let's keep going. 4:34, and we're gonna go check on the cooler. So you see the water pump is still going, and we'll see, hit that button, there's 1 bar left. Okay, let's keep going. Literally after I just got done checking on this cooler, it died. So the time is 4:37, water pump is not on, fully on 3. Does not work. The battery's still in there, and it shows 1 bar here, but it's not enough power to power the cooler. Started this test for this specific FlexVolt battery at 8:30 in the morning, and it just barely died, little past 4:30. It provided 8 hours of cooling for this DeWalt air cooler at the highest setting while the water pump was on the entire time. So the one thing I want to tackle is the battery size. If it can fit this size battery, enter whatever size that people want. So I've tried to get something that was representative of all the different sizes that DeWalt has to offer, all within the 20V line. So I have the 3 amp hour, I have a 5 amp hour, I have an 8 amp hour XR, as well as a 12 amp hour FlexVolt. The 3 amp hour, it's just under 2 inches of space. The battery indicator is facing down. 5 amp hour, this is about 1.5 inches. Also, battery indicator facing down. XR line, 8 amp hour. And there's just under 1 inch of clearance. Battery indicator also facing down. quite a bit of clearance. And then the beast of the FlexVolt battery. So this is a 20 volt max or also the 60 volt max 12 amp hour battery. There is no clearance. It takes up the whole thing. And you can see when it closes, almost touching the top of the plastic. And I know there's a bunch of different amp hour sizes for the 20 volt line. I'm talking like anything from 1.7 to 2, 3, 4. I think those are normally the skinnier ones, especially if you're looking at the XR line. But then you get to the little bit thicker ones for the normal DeWalt batteries for like the 5, the 6, the 8. And then you get into the FlexVolt of like the 10 and the 12. Honestly, I don't know if they make anything larger than the 12. I haven't had to handle that large of equipment on a day-to-day basis to really know and be familiar with the 60 volt line. But if they do go larger than 12 amp hour, let me know. Put them down in the comments. So a few things to know. I'll put a chart or a summary somewhere on the screen that shows what each amp hour battery that I tested. Something to also keep in mind, the battery runtime may actually be shorter if you have your cooler in direct sunlight, because that direct sunlight can get the battery to a hotter temperature faster, which is gonna wear out the battery cells at a much quicker rate. So your 3 amp hour battery that you want to power your air cooler, while it lasted me just under 2 hours, may actually only last you an hour and a half. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future project and review videos that I have coming up. And also be sure to go check out the unboxing and also the car test. I also did, I think, an ice test as well. I'll put all those links down below in the description. Also, to be clear, I think this product is awesome. You can find this tool down below in the description as well as all these different batteries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.